Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to prepare spinach for baby step by step. Start by washing spinach thoroughly, remove stems and blanch for 30 to 60 seconds. Shock in ice water, drain well, and puree with a little breast milk or formula to reach a smooth texture. Portion into small containers, cool completely, and label with date before refrigerating or freezing for later use. Prepare spinach in a clean area and use fresh or properly thawed frozen leaves to reduce risk. Cook to soften fibers and reduce nitrate content, then puree until completely smooth for young babies. Use small portions at first to watch for reactions, and avoid combining with high nitrate foods for infants. Store prepared spinach in the fridge for up to 48 hours or freeze in labeled portions for convenience. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more baby feeding tips. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle I used while prepping. It's handy during busy feeding sessions and perfect for on-the-go parents. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Now let's get back to the video. Aim for a texture appropriate to your baby's age and skills by adjusting thickness with liquid. Combine spinach with mild fruits or vegetables to make flavors more appealing and introduce variety gradually. Offer a spoonful at a time and observe how your baby manages texture and swallowing. Keep serving small and build up as they show readiness, and always ensure the food is cooled to a safe temperature before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.